Welcome back to Greenhaven Organics. If you're passionate about organic farming and sustainable living, you're in the right place. Today, we'll show you how to create a DIY compost bin for your backyard. It's simple, cost-effective, and a great way to enrich your soil naturally. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why composting is important. Composting turns your kitchen scraps and yard waste into nutrient-rich compost that enhances soil health, improves plant growth, and reduces landfill waste. Plus, it's a fantastic way to recycle organic materials. Here's what you'll need to build your own compost bin: wooden pallets or plastic bins, drill, screws or zip ties, hinges for lid and garden gloves. For this project, you'll need some basic materials: wooden pallets or plastic bins, a drill, screws or zip ties, hinges for the lid, and a pair of garden gloves. You can repurpose old materials to keep this project budget-friendly. Now, let's start building. We'll guide you through two types of compost bins: a wooden pallet bin and a plastic bin. For the wooden pallet compost bin, arrange the pallets into a square or rectangular shape. Secure them at the corners using screws or zip ties. Make sure it's stable. Add a pallet for the base if you want to keep it off the ground. For the plastic bin compost bin, take a large bin with a lid and drill holes on the sides, bottom, and lid for aeration. The holes allow oxygen to reach the compost, which is essential for decomposition. Once your compost bin is assembled, place it in a shady spot in your backyard. This will help maintain moisture levels and keep the compost from drying out. Now, let's start composting. Layer your compost materials, starting with a base layer of coarse materials like twigs or straw to help with drainage. Then add green materials like vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, and grass clippings, followed by brown materials like dried leaves, paper, and cardboard. Remember to turn your compost pile every few weeks to aerate it, which speeds up the decomposition process. Maintain a balance of greens and browns, keep the compost moist but not too wet, and turn it regularly. In a few months, you'll have rich, dark compost ready to use in your garden. Composting not only reduces waste, but also improves soil structure, adds essential nutrients, and promotes healthy plant growth. It's a win-win for your garden and the environment. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this DIY compost bin project inspires you to start composting at home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Greenhaven Organics, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Comment below if you have any questions or tips on composting. See you next time.